Hi guys! Welcome to Franchise Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature Julie's Bakeshop franchise business package ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for Julie's Bakeshop franchise business package ideas. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1, company profile. Number 2, company mission and vision. Number 3, Julie's Bakeshop growing network. Number 4, Julie's Bakeshop product. Number 5, franchise perks. Number 6, Julie's Bakeshop business package. Number 7, estimated investment cost. Number 8, franchising procedure. Number 9, contact details. And lastly, number 10, frequently asked questions. For the company profile, Julie's Bakeshop started as one bake shop operated by its founder, Miss Julie Gandionco, at the age of 50 on January 6, 1981. A canteen concessionaire, in the 1970s, Miss Julie was running 3 canteens when she ventured in the bake shop business. From this innovative response to the ever-increasing need for bread in Mom Julie's canteen operations, the country's largest bake shop chain was born, the Julie's Bakeshop. Julie's Bakeshop has been baking delicious and affordable breads for Filipinos for 4 decades. No merienda and almusal is complete without Julie's, own part of this beloved chain, now with the franchise branches in the Philippines and abroad. Their vision: a Julie's in every barangay. Their mission: to feed Filipino communities. Julie's growing network: they have 500 stores and growing, 100 plus franchise stores. They have 2 stores in North America, specifically in Canada. They have 350 plus suppliers and partners. And they also have 5,000 plus employees. Julie's Bakeshop products. Among their products are baked classics like pandesal, butter bun, monay and pan de leche, baked loaves, baked savories, fried breads, pastries, snack cakes, and non-cakes like soft drinks, peanut butter, and coffee. More products are newly introduced to cater the needs of their customers. Stay home and stay safe for Julie's delivers. Check available stores at Foodpanda and Grab Food. You will also be a part of Julie's reseller program created to provide additional income and opportunities to everyone. Franchise perks. Continuous marketing campaign support is provided from training to opening to managing your business. A research and development team with a full-scale baking lab is always accessible to help continuously improve the products. Prior to opening, support in the following areas shall be given to a franchisee: usage of Julie's trademark, right to use proven business system, store management consultancy, initial staff training with prior to store opening, guidance on site selection, pre-opening marketing assistance, and opening team assistance. Julie's Bakeshop business package. 2021 being the 40th year anniversary of Julie's Bakeshop, they now offer franchise fee for 40,000 pesos plus VAT for a 5-year franchise term. This offer is only valid for new applications approved within the year. Their franchising fee is worth 35,000 pesos. The security deposit is 50,000 pesos. For the pre-opening service package, bakery opening package, and franchise training fee is worth 165,000 pesos. Insurance is worth 10,000 pesos. store construction is worth 650,000 pesos. For the machinery and signages is worth 571,000 pesos. And the estimated total investment cost is 1,525,800 pesos. For the royalty fee is 5% of gross sales, and the marketing support fund is 1.5% of gross sales. The fees are to be remitted to Julie's Bakeshop on a monthly basis. Disclaimer: prices herein may change without prior notice by the franchisor. Kindly contact the company for any updates or changes. For the franchising procedure, number 1, a potential franchisee can inquire about the Julie's Bakeshop franchise. Number 2, submission and processing of documents. Number 3, interviews and background investigation. Number 4, payment of fees, training, and construction. And number 5, grand opening of the store. For the contact details, you may contact Julie's Bakeshop Corporation for their Cebu office, address C. Padilla Street, Dulho Patima, D. Cebu City, Philippines 6000. You may call them with telephone number 6332-261-7117 to 19 local 138. You can also contact them with their mobile number at 0917-849-6698. For the Manila office, the address is Amang Rodriguez Avenue, corner JRA Subdivision, Rosario, Pasig City, Philippines. You may contact them with the telephone number 632-642-2583. You can also call their mobile number at 0917-825-8488. For their Davao office, the address is Grand Land Warehouse and Business Center, R. Castillo Street, Davao City, Philippines. You may contact them with their telephone number 6382-234-0067 with the mobile number at 0917-770-9678. You can send them an email at franchise@juliesbakeshop.com.ph. You can also visit their website at juliesbakeshop.com.ph. For the frequently asked question. Question number 1. When do I get my initial investment or return of investment? Answer: estimated return of investment is from 1.5 to 2 years. Question number 2. What training do franchisee get? Answer: successful applicant will undergo the following trainings: bread baking course (BBC) and bakery management seminar for 14 working days. Second, bakery immersion for 30 days with a minimum of 4 hours per day. And third, Bakeshop staff will undergo actual hands-on training for 30 days. Question number 3. Who chooses the location for the Bakeshop? Answer: the franchise applicant will be responsible in choosing the proposed location. Site will undergo market verification study, which will be Julie's Bakeshop basis for approval. If franchise applicant has no available site, Julie's Franchise Corporation can assist in looking for a site which may be subject to approval. Question number 4. Who will hire the bakery crew? Answer: the franchisee will hire the bakery staff that will be trained by JFC. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Julie's Bakeshop franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.